Hello everyone, this is Charles BridgTec with another flashlight review, plus future giveaway. Now I was contacted by both SkyBen and Olight. They ended up sending me identical samples here. We're going to use one for the review here. So I want to thank Olight and SkyBen for sending me these samples. We're basically going to open up one and use the other one here for a future giveaway in my Flashaholics Anonymous on Facebook. So we'll go ahead and set that one to the side. Comes in this box. And we'll go ahead and show you these specs here. Okay, so as you can see, this has two light outputs, high and low. 180 lumens on high, low of 5 lumens, and it's using that luminous LED in there. So let's wait no further, let's open it up and see what's in. Alright, I'm going to open up the bottom here to get the user manual out here. Show that to you. Pretty detailed there. And it does come with the battery, so that's nice. So this is basically a kit. Now this is a one-time use battery, just letting you know. Now there's some instructions here on the yellow label to let you know to remove the little paper here. That's right there. And we'll go ahead and put this back together. And let's take a look at the light. Got a nice sized clip on there. Olight, very nice. Machining and finish are excellent on this. And the spiraling here, but there's no knurling. It's only on the tail cap here. Tail clicky. Very nice. Nice style and design on that. And there's the special optics here. LED there for you. Alright, so let's open this up and I'll show you the cell. Show you the spring here first. Looks gold plated there. It's really nice. Okay, so it does come with a AAA alkaline cell, so that's what I'm going to use in this test. You can use the 10040, but at this time I don't have any available, so we're going to go ahead and use this one. Contact point down inside there, so we're going to put this back together, and let's go through the two user outputs here. We're going to go ahead and turn that on. And you can do full presses. That's the highest light output. See, it's very floody there. Now if you use the lithium cell, you're going to get a lot more light output. You're going to get about 320 lumens on it. Very floody beam on that. Then of course you can half press to pick which mode you want. Once you get your mode, you can just push it all the way in at that time. Okay, well that's all there is to this little tiny light wonder here. This is definitely for everyday carry. So let's take this outside, see how it does in the wilderness. We are out here in the darkness with the little Olight, and we're going to go ahead and turn it on here, and that is on low, 5 lumens. The beam pattern there on the fence kind of give you an idea. And it is faintly making it about 30 feet actually at the highest and farthest point there. Does real well at about 10 to 15 feet there. Alright, we're going to go to the next level here. And there's the highest 180 lumens. Remember, I'm using a regular AAA battery in this that came with it. You'll get better performance as far as light output. We're using a lithium cell, so the choice is up to you. And faintly making that tree, at least with my eye. Kind of hard to see it on the camera, so not quite enough brightness level to see that. Doing really well. Amazing for its size and the regular AAA battery that's running. Very nice. Kind of look around up close. More than enough light for everyday carry. 38 feet there. Got a nice little spill area here. Not super bright on the spill, but nice. Alright. Hope you enjoyed those night shots. Okay, welcome back. What an impressive light. Light outputs on this were hard to believe that this would run off a AA and have that pretty good light output. Is pretty darn impressive, I've got to admit. Olight's making a top-notch quality light on this model as well. And it's going to suit people that don't want to carry a larger light, and this will easily go on their pant pocket, shirt pocket, or you can put it on your baseball cap. So you could use it as a headlamp as well. Now the beam actually is very nice on this, nice and floody. Still has enough concentration in the center there so you can get some more range out of it. So I've got to admit, really nice quality and performance on this, top notch. I'm very impressed with it. I want to thank again Olight and SkyBen for sending me the samples. Head on over there to my Facebook group. I'll leave a link in the description should you want to enter the giveaway for this coming soon. And that's it for me. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please share, like, and subscribe. That way I can bring more of these type of little everyday carry flashlight kits to you in the future. Thanks for watching. Take care.